Message requests not showing on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps you have on your phone. Click on Messenger and then click on Force Stop. After that, click on the permissions. Right here, you have to make sure that all the permissions are enabled, exactly like that. Go back and then click on data usage. Make sure that every single option right here also is enabled, especially the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back and click on the power usage details and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. Click down here on force stop and restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.